yeah, if, guys, here, this is what I'm going to do too. If you want me to do a giveaway, my next stream next week, smash that like button hard. And I will make sure to get a couple things of silver for you. So how's everybody else doing out there? It's getting awful quiet in the chat. I know it's late. I know everybody's sleepy. Probably in bed. Ooh, guys, we got another oldie here. 1949. And let's see what mint mark you got. That's an S, a 49S. I think that's a pretty good date there. Let's see. 49S. That is, you know what? That is a key or semi-key date. Look at that. We have a 49S. They made 9.7 million of them. And, you know, higher grade, $3. Sorry, it's not focusing here. Yeah, $3 for higher grade. I mean, this is obviously not a high grade, but it is still worth about maybe $1 or $2. It is a semi-key date. I have it. I will still keep it, but where this box is great. We got a semi-key date. You know, we got the S mint mark for the